Good morning, guys. This is 6th December, Wednesday, pre-market analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So, what you are seeing on daily time frame in Nifty is it has been 6 days of non-stop one-sided move, right? Just like a rocket. Like, see how Nifty is flying, just like Nifty is flying one-sided because of the pure news. It's not a technical breakout or anything. Yes, currently we are trading in all time high, but if you are new to market, don't think that market always jumps like this. If you bought a call option here and you are in a very good profit by now, so don't be under false impression that market always works like this. When you buy a call option and you will make this kind of profit, or even a breakout happens, this kind of profit comes. Very rarely it happens. It is happening because more related to news, that is the election result which market like the outcome. So that is the reason of this big move. So that's why, that is what I wanted to tell it to new people, that this is based on news. And bank nifty also, you can see that more than bank nifty, nifty you can see that almost 1,000 points from low of 28th November till the high of 5th December, right? Within 6 trading session, nifty jumped almost 1,000 points. So that is the nifty for you. Now we'll go to daily time frame, sorry, 5 minutes time frame, and let us see what happened yesterday on 5 minutes time frame and what could happen. What is my analysis for today? Okay, if you remember yesterday, I was telling you that in the pre-market analysis, I'm not very bullish on the market. I mean, currently market is very bullish, but I'm not interested to go long, expecting another trending day. I expect market to slightly bearish to sideways days, right? Most likely market may stay sideways. That is what I said. Even if it starts going up, I expect market to reverse, and then I may take a short trade rather than going long, right? And that is what happened yesterday. You can see that Nifty made a breakout above the day side, look like it's going to go up, and many people must have started buying aggressively, thinking that market will go like this, and suddenly it reversed, and people who went long, that trapped, right? Look at this candle. This candle is telling you that stop loss hunting took place. That means people who went long somewhere here, that trap. So that is how trap happens in the market. So that is why you should have some experience to become a day trader. You should learn technical analysis, price action, do back testing. That is how it works. So what is the this one for important levels for today, where what is my view whether market may remain bullish or bearish? Okay, so before that, one thing you can see that market has started, market nifty closed at the day's high, right, which is a bullish sign. Closing at the day's high is a bullish sign, but what you can see is, if you look at the candlestick, it's making a small teeny candle, right? It's not candle like a bullish elephant candle or bullish full body candle. It's a teeny candle. What it shows that weakness at the top. Weakness means buyers are getting exhausted. That's why these small candles, right? So when you see this kind of small candles, that means buyers don't have strength and sellers are trying to push the market down. So that is the one analysis. And now when I look at the pre-market, global market, you can see that gift nifty is currently trading around 45 points, right? Gift nifty trading at 45 points. US market was slightly mixed. Asian markets also slightly positive. So that means we might see a 45 points gap up in Nifty. Now let's mark the important levels for today. We have marked the day's high, day's low, and we have marked the small gap border, right? That is the 4th December and 5th December. So today, since we are opening 45 points, so price action likely to happen is like this. So 40 points from here, that means around this level, right? Let me just to mark this level. We might see a 45 points mean a red candle like this. Okay, opening and then turning into red candle, just like how price action happened yesterday. Yesterday, look at the price action, how it happened. It happened with a red candle, came back near the previous day high support, and again made a U-turn. So today, since this will be strong level, because this is where buyers and sellers are fighting out, right? So along with the previous day high, this level also can work as one of the strong level for today. Okay, so that means today, if red candle, if your market opens with a red candle somewhere in R1, R2, whatever, you have to not jump into the trade at the opening. Rather, you have to see if it's a bearish candle, don't short immediately, because this is going to be now strong support. Just like yesterday's price action, this entire green level will be strong support. So that's why my suggestion is don't short anywhere here, because market have tendency to take the support, because this is the strong support now, and immediately below that there is a CPR, right? So that is a not then market can exactly do what happened yesterday, can take support and again can go up. But will it be another big bullish day? I don't expect. I expect market again to fall down and maybe stay sideways. I expect same like market what happened yesterday kind of price action, or what can happen, it can take support and again it can, instead of staying sideways, it can go down. But going up, I feel a little bit unlikely, because profit booking might come anytime, because people who are already sitting the profit, sooner than later they are going to book the profit, right? That is my view, guys. So you do your own analysis. I also go wrong sometimes. I just share whatever with my experience. Now, another scenario, right? It's not that always it happens with a bearish candle. Another thing can happen that it can open with a bullish candle, right? First candle is a bullish candle. Still, I say that I am not comfortable to go long immediately on the bullish candle, expecting another big trending day. It can go for some time, but chances of suddenly profit booking coming and coming down is higher chances. So what is my plan is that instead of going long immediately, I would look for somewhere market reversing and then going short, or it can it can break the first candle low. That also one of the opportunity to go short. So that is what my view today. Just a recap in Nifty, my view is I expect slightly bearish to sideways days in Nifty. Let's go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty we have already checked daily time frame. Let's go to 5 minutes. Okay, Bank Nifty also, yesterday I was telling you same thing, right? I was telling you that I don't expect Bank Nifty to make another bullish day. Sideways days was slightly bearish day, and exactly that is what happened. It went up, look like it's going to, look at the price action, right? Anybody will get trapped here with the price action. That is how trap happens, guys, in the market. It gives you impression that it is going to go like a rocket, and suddenly it comes down and all of you get trapped, people who went long, right? So that is what today's, what is my view on this one. Bank Nifty is same thing again. This, since Bank Nifty opened here, we might open right at the previous day high. Okay, we might right open at the previous day high. Either it can make a bullish candle like this and give you impression that it's going to go up then reverse, or we might open bearish candle and right at the previous day high and start going down. So Nifty, if you remember, I said I will not be going short immediately on the first candle, because Nifty have a strong support of previous day high, right? Strong support. It can take support again, it can bounce. But Bank Nifty doesn't have anything like that. Bank Nifty have strong level, only this level. Okay, that will mark it. This entire zone will mark it, not only the previous day high, entire zone we will mark it. Okay, so click. So today, since Bank Nifty by expiry today, Wednesday, right? So This level could be 47,200. That level, if it breaks, then only there could be strong up move on the upside, but second half, not on the first half. First half, if it breaks, I will not be very interested. Only in the second half, if I see that price is getting rejected here, makes a bearish candle, comes down, and again late afternoon, yes, chances are high that chances are there that it can break again this level and goes up, but not in the first half. So that is the price action for today in Bank Nifty. And again, Bank Nifty have a strong support here. Another important support you should mark today if it comes down. This entire zone, not only that black level, okay, it's a strong support going to be, because this is where two times, look at this. First time, fifth yesterday, Bank Nifty exactly jumped from this level. That shows that there is a strong buying pressure. Strong buyers are sitting there. Second time it looked like it's going to go down, but exactly it took the support near that demand zone and then again started going up, right? So same thing today also. If by chance Bank Nifty cracks, then it can come near the S1 pivot and that green level, and then you have to watch price action closely. Chances of bounce is higher because it's a gap border, it's a demand zone, it's a previous day low. So today, this two levels very important. What the price action around this level, what happens? So that's what I say that through pre-market analysis, I only discuss about the important levels. I don't discuss price action and all this. So if you want to learn more about price action, day trading, swing trading, option trading, then I have my course detail below this video where I discussed everything in detail about the price action, how to know whether it is buyer strength or selling strength, candlestick patterns, everything that I discussed. So that's it, guys, about today's pre-market analysis. Little bit lengthier video today because I shared many things. Anyways, let me know in the let me know any questions you have. And today, tomorrow I'm traveling actually. So maybe tomorrow pre-market analysis instead of morning, maybe I'll do it maybe afternoon or evening for Friday. Let us see, because I'm slightly busy for a couple of days, but I'll take some time to make pre-market analysis, but not in the morning. Okay. Any questions, guys? Sir, my put hold, please suggest. See, actually, I don't give any tips, calls, or any suggestion. That's what I keep saying that don't just gamble in the market. Don't buy calls or puts expecting market to go as per your wish. Market is not here to follow any of our commands, right? It will not follow any of your order or my order. Market will do its own. So that's why learn about price action, everything, rather than just gambling in the market by buying calls and puts. So any other questions? Which gap order is powerful? So remember, Nifty has a very small gap, right? So it's not much powerful. It may not react around this level compared to Nifty. Also very important because it is a small gap, but more than this, Bank Nifty gap is very important. Look at this. Bank Nifty have a very big gap, right? So look at the gap. The bigger the gap, more the powerful it is. So that's why I said this black line is very important going forward. Okay, Suresh is asking daily time frame far away from 20 MA, should we expect a reversal? So this is a good question. 20, if you go to Nifty daily time frame, Nifty, if you look at the daily time frame, look at this. Where is the 20 MA? 20 MA is here, right? Price is going 2 away from 20 MA. So there are two things in 20 MA. Every time 20 MA price doesn't come to 20 MA. If you expect that price will made a big crash and comes back to 20 MA, it is not true that always it happens. Either price can come to 20 MA or 20 MA can go towards the price. That means another thing can what happen, that market can stay sideways like this for 3 4 days and then 20 MA can catch up. Okay. So that's why don't short just because it is too away from 20 MA. But ideally, yes, when market is staying 2 away from 20 MA, then chances of price coming back to 20 MA is higher. But you should give more weightage to price candlestick. You should give more weightage than 20 MA, because 20 MA follows the price. Price don't follow 20 MA. Can we expect 50,000 bank nifty in coming days? No, there is no prediction. There is no, I'm not an astrologer that I can predict what will happen today, what will happen tomorrow, where is Nifty. So it's only astrologer can say that. I am a technical analyst, trainer, trader, right? I don't do prediction like astrologer. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis, and have a good trading day, and always trade with stop loss. Okay, bye.